Ever wondered if there's an app that can make your singing sound like a professional recording? Well, today we're diving into Voloco, an auto-tune app that claims to do just that. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Voloco is an auto-tune app designed for singers and musicians looking to enhance their vocal performances in real time. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is great for beginners. You can easily choose from various vocal effects and presets, allowing you to experiment with your sound without diving too deep into technical settings. The app integrates a vocal harmonizer, pitch correction, and even a beat library, which is a nice touch. Users can record their sessions directly within the app, making it convenient if you're on the go. However, while it's geared towards casual users, more advanced musicians might find it lacking in depth and customization. One thing that stands out immediately is the quality of the auto-tune. It's pretty impressive for a mobile app, but there are some areas that feel a bit unclear, especially regarding the licensing of the beats and how they can be used commercially. Voloco has its strengths. For one, the ease of use makes it accessible for beginners who want to play around with their vocals. The real-time pitch correction is solid, and the variety of vocal effects can spark creativity. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users have reported frustrations with the app crashing occasionally, which can be a deal breaker during a recording session. Additionally, the limited customization options may leave more advanced users wanting. Pricing can also be a concern. While the app is free, some features require in-app purchases, which can add up if you want the full experience. This might not be ideal for everyone, especially those looking for a comprehensive solution. So, while it suits casual users well, professional singers might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Voloco is a great choice for beginners or casual singers looking to enhance their vocal recordings quickly. If you're more serious about your music though, you might find it lacking. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you're looking for something straightforward. Just be aware of its limitations before diving in.